YouTube, it's me, Tiger Gaming here, new with another video. Please subscribe, by the way, because this video is very good, like, very useful. Alright, so this video today is going to be about how to stop hiccups. Now, I hate hiccups. Trust me, bro. Whenever I get hiccups, yo, I'm so mad. But this is how you stop it. What you need is a water bottle with water in it, okay? Cold. I'd recommend cold. It's cold. Because it's cold. You don't have to have it cold. So what you do is you want to do that. That stops hiccups. At least for a while. Like last time I did it, I didn't hiccup. I haven't hiccuped since. When you will it stops it. So yeah. Start getting it out. Please subscribe.